Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vela for anybody that is new, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look that I'm wearing right here. It has been a few videos since I have last done a makeup tutorial, so I thought it was time to switch it up just a little bit. So I came through with this tutorial right here. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, then go ahead and do so down below. We are in the middle of our giveaway, and once we reach 500 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. I will list all the details down below in the description box, so go ahead and open that up and check out all the details. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so starting off, we're going to be priming our lids using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and blending that out with our Morphe Beauty Sponge. And then I'll set that concealer with my RCMA No Color Powder. Then I'm taking my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Brushes palettes and using the shade Silk Cream for our transition shade. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Creamsicle, and I'm going to apply that in the crease area. And I'm going to start flicking it out towards the edge, like right here where you see what I'm doing. Just kind of flicking it out to like create that winged effect, because I'm going to be doing a dramatic cut crease. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Jada, taking that shade into the crease, building it up and flicking it out into the outer part of my eye just to do that winged effect. Then I'm going to go into my Kat Von D Metal and Matte palette, and I'm going to take the shade Moss. I'm going to place that right in the crease area with a more precise brush. And I'm going to start deepening up that crease and really kind of like creating where I want that cut crease to go, but I want to add that dimension into the crease area. And again, I'm using the same technique, just placing it in the crease, blending it out, and flicking it out towards the end of the eye, if that makes sense. Then I'll be taking that Maybelline Fit Me Concealer again and starting to carve out where I want to cut the crease. And then I'm going to take linen and use that to set the concealer on my lids. And then I'm going to take Moss and use that to redefine the line in the cut crease, and then go in and blend it out with that little precision blending brush. Then I'm going to go in with my NYX white liquid eyeliner and just add that right on top of where I created that cut crease, but underneath that eyeshadow, just to add a little extra little something to the look. I felt like it was kind of missing something in the cut crease, so I wanted to add a little extra dimension, a little extra design to the look. Then I'll be taking that Moss shade once again from the Matte and Metal palette and creating my winged liner, but just doing it with an eyeshadow with an angled brush. And then I'm going to go in and blend out that eyeliner, or that eyeshadow, to do like a smoky eyeliner effect. Then I'm going to take the shade Beam in the Jaclyn Hill palette and use that to highlight my brow bone. Then going into the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, I'm going to take the shade Ozone and add that in between the little gap between the smoked out liner and the cut crease, just to add a little bit of glitter to the look. Then using my white pencil from Wet n Wild, I'm going to use that to fill in my lower lash line. And going in with Moss once again, I'll be using that to tight line my lower lash line and blend out that shade with Jada from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Then I'll be going in with my mascara from Essence Beauty. And for my inner corner highlight, I'll be using the Beam shade once again from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And for highlight, I'll be going in with my Tarte Pro Glow palette using the shade Stunner. And I'm going to highlight my cheekbones and all over my face, basically the same routine that I always do for highlighting. But what I'll do is I'll go in with my brush first and apply my highlight. And then I'm going to go in with a wet beauty sponge from Morphe and just make that highlight of my cheekbones pop even more with my highlighter. Look at that. Just make it glow. Yes, I live for this technique. Then for my lips, I'll be using the Kat Von D Bow and Arrow liquid lipstick. Then I'm going to set everything using my Maybelline setting spray. And I'll take that beauty sponge and just tap it over my face just to make sure that sinks into the skin and everything just looks nice and smooth. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. I'll be back very soon with plenty more videos. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.